Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl GOLDYNAPS. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-strand twist out and get these super defined results. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe so you can see more content like this from me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So we're starting out this style on freshly washed, detangled, and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to start by sectioning out my hair to do the first twist. And obviously for this style, your parts don't need to be very precise. It's all about the twist. You're going to unravel them, so don't worry about parting perfectly. So we have our first section here. I'm gonna be doing chunky twists because that does the best at like manipulating my texture. The smaller that your twists are, the tighter the curl is gonna be. I have 3C4A hair, so it's on the kinky curly side. And if you do chunkier twists, then your curls are gonna be a lot bigger, and that's just the look that I'm going for today. So go ahead and start by spraying the section with your spray bottle. I always like to work on wet hair. Throughout this entire process, I will only be using one product. It's the Adwoa Beauty Bowel Mint Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. I rave about this product all the time. Like, it is one of my all-time favorite products, and I think as my natural hair journey has gone on, I've kind of recognized what products work for me and what products don't. I used to have to use like 50 million products to get my hair to do what I wanted to do, like a gel, a cream, a custard, whatever, just to get my hair to look the way I wanted it to. But I've definitely like shortened that down and basically gotten it to the point where I only have to use one product, and I've recognized that my hair really loves custard type products. So like products that are basically like a mix between a gel and a cream, that just works perfectly for me, where I don't have to do too much. I just have to put a little on each section and I get all the definition and volume that I want. So this is the product that I will be using today. I will have a link below and also have alternatives that I love linked below. And yeah, let's get into styling this hair. So now that we got our product applied, it's time to actually learn how to do the 3-strand twist. And I'm gonna show it multiple times, close up, far away. So don't worry, by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to do it. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is split your section into 3 smaller sections as if you were going to do a braid. And I feel like having the 3 sections is really the hard part about this style, because your brain, if you've never done it before, is really gonna wanna do a braid, but that's not what we're doing. So with the 3-strand twist, you want to keep wrapping the outermost strand from your 3 sections around all of the other strands. So let's go ahead and do that. Starting with the outermost strand and wrapping. Then you want to just like readjust your grip. And go ahead again with the outermost strand. Readjust your grip. Outermost strand. Readjust. Outermost strand. And you're gonna keep doing that all the way down the length of the twist. And I promise you, it gets easier as you go along and do all the sections on your head. At first, it's gonna feel really awkward and weird. Your brain is gonna keep having you do a braid, but just keep at it, keep doing it. You're gonna get it. Because the results, ooh, they are fantastic. When I get to the very end of a twist, I just finger coil it because I'm not gonna struggle to keep doing a 3-strand twist all the way down. It just makes it easier to like finger coil that. So our first twist is complete. It is looking good, and we're basically just gonna repeat that all over the rest of our hair, and I will be sure to show you how to do the technique again multiple times, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here I am again showing you guys the technique. We're gonna spray our section with some water. and go in with our styling product for the day. Let's put that all over the section and rake it through. And we are going to split this section up into 3 smaller sections as if we were going to do a braid. And when you do the 3-strand twist, you want to keep wrapping the outermost strand around all of the other strands. So let's go ahead and do that. Outermost strand. Readjust your grip. Now grab the next outermost strand and readjust your grip. Outermost strand. You're going to keep doing that throughout the whole length of the twist. Okay, so now we are getting to like the top layer of my hair where you can definitely see like the roots and everything. And so the only thing that I switch up with these top sections is that I add a little bit of Eco Styler gel onto my roots, just so everything is very flat and sleek and there's no flyaways and my roots are not puffy looking. All right, so now all of my hair is twisted up and now it is time to dry, which is the most important step of doing any type of twist out, braid out, 3-strand twist out. If your hair is not completely dry and you try to unravel your twists, they will be frizzy and it'll be a mess and you'll have wasted a bunch of time. So take the drying process seriously. I personally like to sit under a hooded dryer and I will have the one that I have linked below. I just feel like that gives you like more of an all-encompassing hair drying process rather than using a blow dryer handheld. You have to like kind of move it around. You might not get all of the spots evenly, but sitting under a hooded dryer really makes sure that you do get all of your hair evenly dried in the same amount of time. Twisting all this up took me about an hour, and I'm probably gonna sit under the dryer for like an hour or two just to make sure that everything is bone dry, okay? I really wanna emphasize that your hair needs to be dry before you unravel it. Okay, so now my hair is dry. I sat under the dryer for like an hour and a half, and it is time to unravel these twists. The first thing you're gonna do is get a little oil and put it on your fingertips. This just helps really avoid frizz when you're unraveling, which you really wanna be careful about if you wanna make your style last throughout the week. I'm gonna be using this Olaplex oil. It really doesn't matter which oil, this is just one that I have sitting on my desk. So you're gonna rub that into your fingertips. Then pick out a twist and we're gonna go ahead and start unraveling. Be very careful with this. You wanna unravel where your twist naturally separates and not kind of like try to split up the twist before they're naturally separating, if that makes sense. So I'll show you. So you wanna find those like 3 original strands and unravel the original strands so that there's literally no frizz. So at this point, all of my twists are separated, and what I personally prefer to do on day 1 and what I've realized makes my twist out last the longest is not over separating or over manipulating my hair the first day that I do it. So as y'all can see, I have a lot of shrinkage, not a lot of volume, but a lot of definition. The more that you touch and over manipulate your hair, the frizzier it's gonna get and the less lasting power that it's gonna have. So if you want your hair to last 6-7 days, I really recommend trying to maintain as much definition as possible on day 1. What I am gonna do though is hit the roots of my hair with a pick just to hide any of the parts that I had made originally. Don't wanna be walking outside with your scalp showing. So just hide those parts with a pick. Make sure to not disturb the curl pattern that you made with your twist out. And this is the finished look for my 3-strand twist out. I hope that this video was helpful and that you guys enjoyed it and that you guys go and try out the 3-strand twist out for yourself. So please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video.